Well, I'm here at the Broadcast Bionics stand here at BVE 2017. This is one of a number of videos, in fact 3 videos that we've done here this year. I've got Phil Bignell with me. Hi Phil.
Hello there.
Phil, now we're going to talk about PhoneBox, which is what we're seeing on these 2 screens. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, PhoneBox has been used in radio predominantly over the last 15-20 years. Broadcasters around the world, we've got most of the major broadcasters in the UK using it right now. Initially it's just a call management system with obviously a caller database sat behind it, so you can collect details about people and also transfer details between various people working collaboratively on the system within the building, so you can put in what people are calling about, their address details and any other relevant information. You can also set up alerts to regular prize winners or people that might be saying wrong things on the air, so a very, very powerful system. In recent years, obviously with the onset of social media, we've added that in to basically construct a single portal for all listener interaction, or in the case of TV, viewer interaction. So it's very good to actually build up all your incoming messages from multiple social media accounts. You can actually then read through these messages, select the ones you want to read and drop them into what we call the on-air queue, which is kind of a curated list that would then be used in the on-air studio for presenters to read, and that can be read off a specific PhoneBox client with a particular view, or you can read it on a mobile device such as an iPad, and we can get that on-air queue visible on other electronic devices as well. It's got a chat window, it's got obviously audio devices, and we can route phone calls, but also ISDN codecs to the various faders on the console. So it's a very slick interface for lots of interaction. In terms of other analytics and being able to extract other information from social media as well, it's not just stuff that people are pushing towards you, it's about finding out the conversation on social media. So we've got lots of top 10 lists here, the most followed people of our listener group, but also the stuff they're talking about on social media to us, but also the stuff they're talking about with their friends. So this is stuff that's not directed at the radio station, but it's all relevant subjects, and you can bring up some of these messages and drop them into what we call a quick queue over this side, and actually get involved with that conversation that people are having, your listeners are having, but not necessarily with the radio station itself. Other things we've brought in that are more specific to television. Obviously we've got the codec and audio routing control from within the PhoneBox GUI, but we've also got a system here we created for ITN, where they have lots of audio feeds that they need to send out to correspondents via the telephone that are sending video contributions in. So these are auto-answer telephone hybrids, boxer hybrids, and obviously the control room can see who's dialed into each one, and they have control of what feed they're actually sending back to that person calling in on that line. That's kind of harnessing the power of the live wire routing, the audio routing, so it just makes that a very, very good solution to something that's quite tricky at the moment in the analog domain.
Phil, that's great. Now, if people haven't been able to come and see you here at BVE and they want to find out a bit more about your systems, is there a website they can go to?
Bionics.co.uk.
Phil, thank you very much. Go and check them out at their website and you'll find out more information about PhoneBox and, of course, all the other systems here that Broadcast Bionics can help you with. And for more information about what we've been doing here at BVE 2017, you'll find that on our website, of course, and that is KITPLUS.com.